Welcome everyone. So there are people who need IPs, your IPs to work for their data science projects and web scraping and mining. So there are few apps from where you can sell your IP on from your internet. They'll use your IP and then you can earn a money from those websites. And you can easily withdraw your money from these websites if you're free and you have an internet connection and you have mobile phone or a laptop or even a PC connected to an internet, you can earn money from these websites. The very first app is Pawn app, and Pawn's app is allowing you to sign up and then they'll use your IP and you can make money from these and by renting your IP. It's simple, like they use your IPs and the hours. It depends on the hours and the income varies. You can see here for 24 hours and one IP you can earn about $9.6. And this app is quite, and it seems good. I haven't tried this app, but it seems positive. It has positive reviews. People are using it. The other one is honeygain, and honeygain does the same works. It gets your IP. You can sign up, and then it gives a little bit more money. You can use these apps parallelly. You can sign up to Honey, and then you can sign up to as well on Pawns app, and then you can send your internet connection and IP to them, and then you can earn money. Sending to me to say you can sign up. The other one is peer to profit. Peer to profit does the same work. It gets your IP, you can sign up, and then you're allowing them your IP, and then they may use your IP to perform web scraping, and even they can use it for mining, for showing ads, etc. Okay, so do let me know if you're using any app from these and you're going to use these apps in the comment box, and explain if you have on, so that people can have a benefit from your reviews. Thank you.